Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's constantly on the hunt for that perfect eye product to make your eyes pop without having to constantly reapply, then this review is definitely for you. Today, we're taking a look at the KIKO Milano Everlasting Kajal, a product that's been praised for its bold, jet black color and impressive longevity. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The KIKO Milano Everlasting Kajal is a high-performance eyeliner designed specifically for the waterline. The formula is described as soft and creamy, promising a smooth, precise application that lasts up to 7 hours. The key highlight here is the long-lasting, smudge-free finish that holds throughout the day. It's the kind of product that claims to make your eyes pop from morning to night. And that's definitely a bold promise, so let's see how it stacks up in real-world use. When I first tried the KIKO Milano Kajal, I was immediately impressed by how smoothly it glided onto the waterline. It was effortless to apply, no tugging, no discomfort, which can often happen with lesser quality kajals. The creamy formula felt soft and lightweight, yet the color payoff was intense. One swipe delivered a deep, bold jet black line, exactly as promised. As for the longevity, I tested it throughout a busy day, including a long commute, running errands, and even a little time at the gym. Yes, you can test it under a bit of sweat. The kajal stayed put, not a smudge in sight, which, for a product intended for the waterline, is a huge win. I didn't experience any fading or flaking either, which can sometimes happen with products that are creamy or have a darker pigmentation. That being said, there were a couple of small downsides. While the formula did stay in place, it did feel a bit heavy toward the end of the day. After about 5 to 6 hours, I could feel a slight weight around the eyes, but nothing too uncomfortable. Also, because it's designed for such precision, it requires a light hand when applying. Being a bit too heavy-handed can lead to an uneven line. In terms of texture and ease of use, the KIKO Milano Everlasting Kajal is definitely a winner. It delivers a smooth, creamy application, and the smudge-free feature really stands out. But at its price point, is it worth it? When it comes to kajals, you often have a choice between budget options and more premium choices, so the question is whether this delivers enough value. For the price, KIKO Milano offers a solid formula, but there are also other kajals on the market that are slightly more affordable. However, what sets this one apart is its consistency and the fact that it's specifically formulated for waterline application, which isn't always the case with other eyeliners. If you're looking for something that guarantees smudge-free, long-lasting performance, especially if you have sensitive eyes or struggle with eyeliner that disappears by midday, this kajal is a great option. On the flip side, if you're just looking for a quick, budget-friendly option, there are alternatives out there that will do the trick without the premium price tag. Now, I wouldn't call this kajal a game changer in terms of innovation, but it certainly lives up to expectations in terms of performance. It's smooth, bold, and most importantly, it delivers on the promise of staying in place for hours. Mid-review call to action. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating honest reviews like this one. Final verdict. The KIKO Milano Everlasting Kajal is a fantastic option for anyone seeking an eyeliner that delivers long-lasting jet black color with a smooth, creamy finish. It's easy to apply, doesn't smudge, and stays put for hours. Whether or not it's worth the price will depend on your budget and how much you value the specific benefits it offers, like the precise application for the waterline. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this kajal, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback always adds so much value to our community. You can also find the link to purchase in the description box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.